Earlier today, I created a 10-minute video showing how the digit management system could be used to load and analyze COVID-19 data from the New York Times and from Johns Hopkins. This video is a much shorter one that will show how quickly it can use the data to perform a couple simple tasks. The two tasks I want to do is, first, for the most recent day, graph the 5 counties in California with the most cases. The second task would be, for the most recent day, show a pie chart of the 8 countries with the most recovered. So to do the first task, we'll take the counties data from the New York Times. We'll drop it on our definition, pull it in, double click on it, do a select all, sort by the date. We want to see all the stuff from the most recent date. So here are the 1,500 from the last day we have data. Now we want to see just California. So we will grab California. So there were 45 counties in California that reported. So we will graph the most cases. So we'll go down to the bottom here and grab the 5 most. Los Angeles, Santa Clara, San Diego, Orange, and San Francisco. And we will chart those. There's a bar graph and a line chart. So we can see how the most cases in the 5 counties in California are. For the second task, we want to get the data from Johns Hopkins. We don't have a definition, so we'll just grab this, drop it in, use it as a template, change our columns that have numbers in them. Pull that into a table. So here's our table. We want to find a pie chart of the 8 countries with the most recovered. So we'll come over here to the recovered and we'll select the 5 most, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want to show this as a pie chart. Chart selected, pull that into a pie chart. Maybe we'll show a little different contrast. So there's the 5 countries with the most recovered in the last day. So there, just in a few clicks, we've been able to narrow down data and show how fast we can answer simple questions. Thank you very much.